Helping others is an essential part of life. It's not just about making a difference for someone else, it also brings joy and satisfaction to us. When we lend a hand to others, we create positive energy that spreads, making the world a better place. Whether it's offering a smile, helping a friend with homework, or volunteering at a local shelter, every small act counts. Helping others can improve our own well being. Studies show that acts of kindness can reduce stress and boost our mood. When we see the happiness we bring to someone's life, it creates a sense of purpose and fulfillment. We feel connected, knowing we've made a positive impact. It reminds us that we have the power to change things, no matter how small the action may seem. Moreover, helping others builds strong communities. It brings people closer, creating bonds based on trust and compassion. When we help others, we inspire them to do the same, creating a ripple effect. This cycle of kindness helps build a supportive and united community where everyone looks out for one another. It's a powerful way to create a network of care, making sure no one feels alone. Helping others also teaches valuable life lessons. It shows us the importance of empathy, patience, and understanding. We learn to appreciate what we have and become grateful for our own lives when we see others' challenges. It helps us grow as individuals, shaping our character and building resilience. In essence, helping others is more than just a good deed. It's a way of life that benefits everyone involved. It spreads positivity, strengthens bonds, and creates a better, more connected world. Whether through small gestures or big efforts, every act of kindness contributes to a happier, healthier life for all.